Hey folks, I'm in Chico, California. I'm kind of stuck here for a while because of my leg injury. And so I'm trying to start a new series. I'm going to open this packet right here for the first time. I got it from Target just now. It's Topps Chrome 20, 21? I don't know, it's 20. So it comes with the autograph card and some other stuff, surprise. Let's see here. Where's the rules? It comes with 7 packs. 4 card per pack, 28 total cards. This is worth it. It can cost me like $21. You can tell it hasn't been opened. It has the top seal. It's like the anniversary. I used to collect cards a lot in the late 80s, early 90s, and then, after a while I just kind of lost interest in it. It was cool. Those times there were a lot more baseball card stores riding my bike in those days. This is kind of hard. So I want to find an autograph card. Here's my goal. Here it is. Here it is, the package. Inside, should be coming autograph somewhere in here. So 1, 2. We got 4, 5, 6, and 7. Got one. Well, the card I'm looking for mostly is Mike Trout. Most of these cards in the 1920s, I really don't know that much. Mostly any players that play with the San Francisco Giants, I may know. So let's see what's happening. Make sure I don't give them the cards. Let's see here. Whoa, Posey. Really nice one. Posey, really nice. My Denver Giants. 2012 MVP All-Star Game. That's kind of cool. Ooh, got Hall of Famer. Robin Yard, Hall of Famer. Number 19, retired number. Right here. Everything. This guy's from my area around Chico, around here I'm staying right now. There's a story about his brother. His brother was going to pitch one game. He got sick and then never played again. He played mostly minors, but he had one chance, got sick, and never went anywhere. I know the popular. I don't know this guy. Oh yeah, this guy still over his career. This guy used to him and Bone Number used to get a fight. This guy used to start problems. Yeah, I think he went to Cleveland. He's with the whatever he does. It says athletics. I get the name wrong. I don't know. You start problems. Our card. Trying to look for the autograph. They sure should be one autograph and something special. Mostly our sword. No, I don't know that player. No. I need to look at these players. Most have a debut. It's mostly all stars. I should know most of these players. Alex, I don't know that guy. So in that package, if you know these players, let me know. You can see that. A little stats in the back. Debut. I don't know that much about these players. LA Dodger. Okay. Let's see what else got here. I got that one player mixed up with the ace guy. I thought it was a guy who caused problems, really wasn't. Let me see here. 50 grand. That's a nice one. I don't see no autographs. Next Generation. This kind of nice one. Bulb, I don't know. Not much about. That's what it kind of looks like. Other cards. This card's really fancy. Kind of expensive package. Try to get the autograph. I don't know. Caesar. Nice players. This guy, He got a good career. Was having Padres, Dodgers. Most home runs he had so far is 24 back in 2018. This young man. Okay. Let's see what's going on the next card. Ooh, oh, David Ortiz. Ooh, this guy's awesome. One of the best DH ever. He was with the Twins for a while. Got released, and then in his career got really hot with the Red Sox. This guy's one of the heroes. Got shot, and they flew him wherever he was from, and Boston flew him back to get treatment in the United States. Something happened, like a mistaken ending or something. That's his old star. He's decades of 20. The next 20. Victor Morrow star guy. Next 20. There's the back. Tyler Hemmon. He was the Giants. I don't know much about this guy. I'm pretty sure I saw him play. He didn't really play. He had 72 games. 82 hits. 13 home runs. He did decent. Pretty sure I gotta look him up to see what kind of the Giants. And this guy, rookie card. Oh no, total 7 years. Okay, not. Didn't really do that much. Kind of nice. Okay, let's see what's going on. This is my first attempt doing this kind of video. Hope I do better next time. Maybe I'll get a tripod right here in the future. Maybe do it facing it. Kind of lazy. I just really decided doing this kind of. Always want to do this kind of show. So again, this is a Top Chrome 2020 up-to-date series. Let me see here. So look for the autograph. Oh, autograph. Got one autograph. Scott Herman. I gotta look him up. 2019. Didn't really have much of a career. I'll look it up. Yeah, I got one autograph card. There he is. You know about his stats? Let me know. Scott Herman with the Texas Rangers. Well, hopefully one of these days I'm going to travel. I'd love to do more traveling to different ball games. So my goal is go to a place where Giants and Red Sox are playing because I like Red Sox and Giants. I've been down to Anaheim and Dodger Stadium, and of course Oakland, and of course wherever the Red Sox show up. But I want to travel. Hopefully, go to different stadiums. Same with concerts. Go to different places for concerts. I got that one autograph card. But I'm kind of limited where I can go in Chico. Not many places. I just open this one. You know this person, let me know. We'll start. I didn't really say the stats. Oh, Ken Griffey Jr. This guy was a hero. One of my heroes. That's kind of cool. We got an autograph from him. Of his rookie. Oh, Mark Aguirre. A little controversial, but someday he'll be the Hall of Fame. I'm very sure. Full star. Eric, I don't know much about his career. In 2019, he hit 25 home runs. That's the most. Actually, no, he was with the Brewers. 2017 had 31 home runs. That's kind of cool. Mark Aguirre, one of the Blash brothers. He's from California too, a local boy. Sort of local, I guess. So I got this at Target. I think it cost me like $21. Every card package should come with at least one autograph. When I cut it. Try not to cause damage. This is for some reason I have a little problem with this one. So hopefully in the future I'll do more order packets. Try mostly do like 70s, order packets of the 70s and 80s. What do we have here? Eric Davis. He had a decent career. I remember this guy. He was during my time. Mostly played the Red Sox. I mean the Reds, I'm sorry, Reds. A little back of the card. Let's see. His cards. I used to have tons of his cards somewhere. Aaron Judge. Oh, this guy's from near Stockton. I think my nephew is one of his coaches. My nephew's he's a coach, Aaron Judge. Go back and get an autograph from him. That'd be awesome. I don't know none of these players. This guy had a decent career. He had 38 home runs in 2017, and then 2019 he had like 35. I don't know much. He's with the Reds, so you guys know about his career. He's a Red Sox. Let me know. And Sterling, and the last one of the package. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna hopefully do more DCs. I'm kind of limited. What kind of car shops are open because of the whole pandemic thing. So I got at least one autograph. I gotta look him up. That one guy. He's worth anything. Kind of cool. But I got like decent cards. I mean, my favorite cards in this package, of course, the Aaron Judge, local, near Stockton, young man. Eric Davis, kind of like my hero back in the 80s. I know him. Mark McGwire, All-Star. Of course, Griffey Jr. Woo! Famous. This guy had the most beautiful swing ever. All-Star. Is that home run derby? I don't know. Let's see what cards I had. Yeah, the autograph. So it's not number. I don't see no number or anything on it. 4 years. God, I don't know much about him. From California. Local. I guess he's local. I'll look up. And Where's that? Of course, Dave Ortiz, Damus. Guys, definitely Hall of Famer. Gage. The Red Sox, had a great time with him. He retired about one season, his last season. His last game, people give him these presents. I bet the Twins were upset. Got rid of him. Yeah. So let me know what you think. I hope I do better doing these things in the future. I mistake this guy for somebody else. I thought he was somebody else he played the Reds, Dodgers. Of course, right here, my local, my sister's name are Cats after Buster Posey. When he play, he'd be a future Hall of Famer. Keep your nose clean. So let me think. That's it. Let me know what you think. Bye. Please like and subscribe, buy our t-shirts. And these YouTube channels kind of interesting. We're trying different things. Traveling. Do blogging. And do stuff like that. Something, different each time for you people. All right?